Did you know Noomu also allows you to create automation flows from scratch or set up abandoned cart automations so you never leave money on the table? Let's say you want to build a simple automation. Click on Blank Automation and give your automation a name. Then choose a trigger. You can trigger an automation when someone is added to a list, removed from a list, added to a member group, removed from a member group, when a tag is added, when a tag is removed, and many other options to make sure your automation is customized exactly how you want it. Choose your trigger, and then start building your automation flow. Next, choose what should happen. Let's say you want to send an email. Easy. Simply click Send Email and build the email the same way I showed you earlier in the campaign section. Or maybe you want to tag the subscriber with a specific tag. Simply select a tag or create a new one, and then determine what the next step should be. Let's say before taking the next step, you want a certain amount of time to pass. Simply click Delay Automation and delay it by 1 day before the next action takes place. Or maybe you want to split your automation flow if a certain condition is met. For example, if a subscriber is tagged with the Yoga Planner tag, they can take one path, and if they're not tagged, they can take another path. You can literally keep building your automation until the day of resurrection, so you don't miss out on sales opportunities, keep your customers engaged, and continue making money while you're at the beach, driving your supercar, or spending time with your family. Noomu also comes with tons of support videos and weekly live support sessions to help you utilize our features and maximize your success. Start your free trial today and save time, money, and effort with one of the most powerful all-in-one platforms available.